Is an international business immigration law firm that provides legal services for work permits, immigration program development, consular services, government strategy, business visas, and audit and compliance. We support immigration in 170 countries with about 54 offices around the world, from North America to Latin America, the Middle East, Africa, Asia, and we have a strong presence in Europe, covering Paris, London, Brussels, Switzerland, Germany. I provide legal counsel on business immigration issues to corporate clients. I've been with Fragomen for about 6 years. It's been a really rewarding experience working with many individuals from around the world to help them start their new exciting professional journey in the US. Currently, I advise on US inbound immigration issues, such as work permits and immigration strategy for foreign national populations for corporations. And previously, I worked on Fragomen's global team, advising corporate clients on international mobility programs, audit, and compliance. We have years of experience working with a range of companies, from industry leaders to newly formed startups, across industries, across tech, biotech, pharma companies, e-commerce, energy, banking, healthcare, and universities. So we span across industries and across companies. I studied in Boston at Boston University at the School of Management. My focus was on international management, and after college, I moved to Paris, where I started my career in international business. I spent several years working in international business, mostly focused on the corporate side of the international fashion industry. And I worked in New York and in Paris and in Tokyo. I became really interested on the impact of government policy on international business. So I enrolled in a master's program in Brussels, where I focused my studies on international political economy and the European Union. And during my master's program, I was able to complete several law courses, and I decided to pivot to the legal profession. So I came back to Boston, where I studied at Northeastern School of Law, and Northeastern has a strong co-op program, and I had the opportunity to work as a law clerk for several of my co-ops at Fragomen. And so after law school, I stayed on board at Fragomen and joined as an associate attorney, combining my background in international law, international business, business law, and business immigration knowledge as an attorney. The Biden administration has begun a different approach, a more welcoming approach to immigration, with an emphasis on immigration being a top priority for their administration. On Biden's first day in office, he announced plans to reform the US immigration system, to put new plans in place for a pathway to permanent residence and citizenship, to restructure family-based green card processes, to eliminate permanent bars to reentry, and to make some changes to the H-1B program. Biden also issued several executive orders that were primarily focused on humanitarian issues, but we would anticipate changes to come for business immigration. It also has changes for the H-1B program and other employment-based non-immigrant work categories, as well as the H-4 program. It also streamlines processes for graduates of US universities with advanced STEM degrees. We would anticipate that this is likely to face a lot of debate, so many updates to follow, and we're planning a workshop with FACCNE to address immigration under the Biden administration, and we hope that everyone can join us for this workshop that will be very informational on April 8th at 12 p.m., and FACCNE will circulate more details.